Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Translate. So having opened up your Google Translate, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on conversation right here. Now it is ready. When you talk, it automatically translates into your desired language right here. You can see it right here, okay? Now, one great thing here is that you can easily listen to this particular real-time conversation right here. And for that, you can see the more I'm talking, the more everything is translated right here. And for you to listen to a real-time conversation, just stop your talking, then click on this icon. One great thing about this is that you can switch from one language to another language. So if you are the type that understands English language and you want to have a conversation with Chinese, for that, what you need to do is to go ahead. I'm going to pause this now. Select Arabic right here. Then go ahead and choose Chinese Simplified. Then we can start a fresh conversation. Just like what you see right here. Then for us to listen, it's that simple. So you can switch from different language of your choice. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Translate for real-time talk like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.